Did you know? Our emotions are closely linked to the bacteria living in our gut. Anxiety isn't just a problem inside the brain, it's also shaped by what you eat and by your gut microbiome. Today, let's talk about why eating the right foods can truly help you ease anxiety. So, how exactly does diet relate to anxiety? The answer lies in what scientists call the gut-brain axis. Inside your gut live trillions of bacteria, and they can synthesize or regulate many key neurotransmitters. Lactobacillus and bifidobacterium help produce GABA, which calms the brain and reduces overexcitement. Certain streptococcus and enterococcus strains can synthesize dopamine, linked to motivation and pleasure. And surprisingly, over 90% of serotonin is actually produced in the gut. These substances influence the brain through three main pathways. Neural pathway. The vagus nerve acts like a high-speed highway, carrying signals from the gut directly to the central nervous system. Immune pathway. Gut microbes regulate inflammatory molecules, and chronic inflammation can impair brain regions that control emotions. Blood metabolic pathway. Certain metabolites, like short-chain fatty acids, enter the bloodstream, cross the blood-brain barrier, and adjust neuronal activity. In other words, the food we eat doesn't just fuel our bodies. It indirectly shapes our emotions through the microbiome. Unfortunately, modern eating habits often make anxiety worse. High-sugar diets, rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar make the brain think it's in danger, triggering stress responses. Research also shows that sugar reduces microbial diversity, decreases beneficial bacteria, and increases inflammation, which disrupts serotonin and dopamine production. High-fat, ultra-processed foods. Animal studies reveal that high-fat diets damage the gut barrier, allowing inflammatory molecules to enter the bloodstream, impairing the hippocampus and amygdala, areas critical for emotion regulation. Excess caffeine. Caffeine overstimulates the nervous system and, through the gut, can boost cortisol secretion. Chronic overuse keeps the body in a constant alert mode. So these foods don't just harm your body physically, they disrupt the gut-brain axis and impair emotional regulation. So, what kind of diet can actually help reduce anxiety? Research points strongly to the Mediterranean diet. Dietary fiber. Found in vegetables, fruits, and whole grains, fiber acts as prebiotics that feed beneficial bacteria. When fermented, they produce short-chain fatty acids, which can travel through the bloodstream to the brain, supporting neuroplasticity and anti-inflammatory effects. Omega-3 fatty acids, DHA and EPA from fish, reduce brain inflammation and enhance serotonin receptor function, improving neurotransmitter stability. Polyphenols. Found in olive oil, nuts, and berries, polyphenols promote the growth of beneficial bacteria, suppress harmful strains, and support serotonin synthesis. One landmark study, the SMILES trial in Australia, showed that people who adopted a Mediterranean diet for 12 weeks had significant reductions in anxiety and depression. This means diet isn't just a supporting factor. It can directly improve mental health through the gut-brain axis. Anxiety is complex, but diet is one tool that you can control. By nurturing your gut, you're also caring for your brain. Start with small steps. Swap soda for green tea. Choose nuts instead of chips. Add an extra serving of vegetables. Don't underestimate these choices. Your gut and your brain will thank you, because they are constantly talking to each other through what you eat.